So what is the best fuel to consume when walking, getting the steps in, 10,000, 20,000 steps a day? Titanic building behind me, Belfast. The best fuel is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates like bananas, dates, mangoes, sweet potatoes, rice. This is the best fuel. Carbohydrates, high carb, low fat. These are the best fuel to get the energy in, to be able to get the steps in. I'm coming up to 5 miles of my walking journey, listening to an audiobook. And yeah, don't be afraid of carbohydrates. Don't be afraid of fruits. Fruit being, in my opinion, the most optimum because its energy is simple for the body to digest. It's the quickest digesting food in the world. And yeah, it's good on the go food. I could just grab a couple of bananas, grab some dates, make a smoothie or something like that, and then carry that with me. Very quick and easy food. Get an apple, eat it, and yeah, it just leaves you feeling great with all the fiber. And I know that a lot of people fear carbohydrates because they believe that carbohydrates will make them fat, but we have to look at the constitution of fruits and things like rice and potatoes, etc., and see that these are low fat foods. These are low fat foods, so carbohydrates have 4 calories per gram, fat has 9 calories per gram. So as a whole, the more fruits and sweet potatoes and bananas and all these different things you consume, and the less fat you consume in terms of oil, nuts, animal products, dairy, and all these different things, the slimmer you're gonna be because you're not ingesting all these high caloric or high fat foods that do nothing for you. Better to consume lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, lots of things like sweet potatoes and stuff like that, because they will give you the energy you need, and they are slimming foods. And I can't wait to see walking being taken up, walking in a plant-based diet, walking and a high carb, low fat lifestyle being taken up for by people who want to lose weight as a very simple, sustainable way to achieve that goal. And there's someone that commented on one of my videos in relation to walking, and it's so inspiring. This lady just says she started her plant-based journey. She's already seen weight loss success. Her main form of exercise is walking. Now, you don't only have to do walking. You could do things like yoga and strength training, but walking is really, really good cardio exercise because you get to go out, move the legs. It's a very sociable activity because you're always there's people around and stuff like that. You get to see places. It's working on your it's building the strength in your legs and building your cardiovascular system, and you're getting outside that beautiful sunshine. So with that being said, fuel up, bananas, dates, sweet potatoes, etc. Get it in, and it'll make your walking experience a lot easier versus someone who's trying to do this low carb. So with that being said, peace.